Is suburban drone delivery the next big deal? As if out of sci-fi films, drones are becoming more common these days. News, movies, and even vlogs can now be done with drones. Reaching the best aerial shots or overcoming tall obstacles are no match for these convenient robot buddies. But how do we want drones in our neighborhoods? The focus here isn't about robotic firepower. There's this question that needs answering. What is the future of drones in the suburbs? One may answer delivery service, which isn't a bad idea. People have hectic schedules that even groceries sometimes seen as a menace. To make it worse, supermarkets can have long lines that demand a mountain of patience. Why not have your goods delivered to your doorstep? Some companies offer or support drone delivery services to meet the desires of suburbs. Along with sidewalk robots and autonomous cars, aerial drones level up the delivery experience. Wing, a subsidiary of Alphabet, is working on this project and has done many deliveries already. The project has accomplished 200,000 deliveries in Australia and now established an expansion in Texas. In Australia, Wing's drone delivery lets customers order up to 250 items from one of the largest supermarket chains. The items can range from bread, fresh produce, meals, and healthcare items to kitchen essentials. Drones can bring these items in minutes since there's no traffic. Many service providers are seeing drone delivery as an incredible tool of convenience. However, drone delivery has its holes in long-term survivability, investment, and practicality. According to IEEE, drone delivery has value, especially in time-critical situations and when other ways are out of the question. Some of the best scenarios for drone delivery include bringing medicines and vaccines, considered appropriate during medical emergencies. The downsides are linked to the limited capacity of drones of around a few kilograms. That's no match for sidewalk robots and autonomous cars that can bring a quarter or half your fridge can hold. Perhaps it is better to address the core issues surrounding late or incomplete deliveries. Imagine if the same infrastructure used in drone delivery is tweaked to support what's already known and working. Of course, drone delivery will become a thing in a decade or two, but we know the consequences of innovating so fast. Innovation without optimization often results in pollution, high cost, and selective beneficiaries. The majority of the world hasn't even greeted robots in front of their homes during deliveries. No surprise, since most territories haven't fully supported 5G connectivity nationwide to wirelessly manage these robots. Drone delivery has its accomplishments, but if delivery issues aren't solved, all of that will possibly be for naught later. Have you experienced drone or robot-based deliveries? If so, was it better than a person doing the job? Share your thoughts in the comment section. Till our next video, thanks for watching.